Simple past tense. Definition. The simple past tense is used to talk about an action or event that happened and finished in the past. Structure. Affirmative. Subject plus past verb plus object. Example: I visited the park yesterday. Negative. Subject plus did not, didn't plus base verb plus object. Example: they didn't watch the movie. Question: did plus subject plus base verb plus object? Example: did you call your friend? Uses. 1. To talk about completed actions in the past. Example: she cooked dinner last night. 2. To describe a past habit, but now it doesn't happen. Example: I played football every Sunday when I was a child. 3. To talk about a series of past events. Example: he woke up, took a shower, and left for work.